right, OnePlus 12. This was sent by Geeks Top again. And this is the packaging, 16 gigs plus 512 gigs of storage. Oh, never settle. We have some paperwork, a phone case. Then we have the phone. Wow. 100 watts type A to type C cable. OnePlus. Wow, just check out the back module, camera module. Jesus. The design, we have the Dino's mic, infrared blaster. Okay, I think the speaker just embed the receiver here. And to the left, we have the classic OnePlus customized key, right? At the bottom, type C, speaker, SIM card tray. And to this side, power key, volume rocker, and that's it. Let's just turn on. One good thing if you buy from Geeks Top is that they will flash the ROM to the international one, like this Play Store. It's pre-installed for you, so it's quite good. So definitely go and check out Geeks Top website, and we'll do a bunch of camera comparisons later. Definitely stay tuned.